What are you doing?
Oh my God. The car in front suddenly stopped, causing the truck behind to stop abruptly. The driver had no time to react and crashed straight into the car, which caught fire. Smoke from the truck obscured the motorcyclist's vision, causing an accident to occur. The tanker driver should have his license revoked for such behavior. It is unthinkable to stop at such a place just because he missed the exit due to inattention. The truck driver miscalculated and crossed the tracks as the train was approaching. Luckily, the truck was thrown off the tracks and narrowly avoided a direct hit to the cabin. This proves that driving slowly is not always safe. You need to be decisive and maintain a suitable speed to ensure safety. The speed was too high, causing the truck driver to lose control, cross the median, and crash head-on into another vehicle in a horrifying accident. Road rage reached its peak when an SUV swerved off the road. However, the truck driver, still enraged, turned too fast and crashed into the highway median. Everything was going fine until the truck suddenly shook. The reason became clear when the truck flipped and landed safely. A tanker carrying 5,000 gallons of sea fuel caught fire in North Texas. The fire, caused by an engine malfunction, was quickly extinguished. The driver was lucky to escape without injury. This guy definitely deserves a Razor bonus for saving the plane from damage or preventing serious injuries.
Может, просто вытрем?
Now you know why your package wasn't delivered on time. Just kidding. I hope the driver is okay. A total of 286 reports of accidents involving snowfall were received. Amazingly, no injuries were reported in any of the accidents. Karmic retribution comes immediately to idiot drivers. This case is a typical one. The truck driver crossed the tracks while the red lights were flashing, causing a train to crash into the vehicle. Fortunately, the accident did not result in significant damage. What do you think about using an airplane to put out the fire caused by an accident? Perhaps the driver would have died from the water rather than the accident itself. She quickly transformed from a villain to a random NPC on the street. A driver suddenly stopped in the middle of the highway when he noticed an obstacle ahead. Unfortunately, that was the beginning of a series of accidents. Luckily, no one was injured. A pickup truck carrying a tree climbed a hill, but suddenly rolled back, drifted to one side, and flipped over like a ball. Fortunately, the tree was safe, although the driver must have been shaken to the core. As can be seen, the container fixed to the trailer at the rear was not released before the crane started lifting it. Fortunately, no serious damage occurred. This is probably the most typical manifestation of idiots in cars. An angry woman threw a pole as if to declare, "This is my road. Who dares block my way?" Luckily, he didn't hurt anyone, but the trees were a little shocked. The driver lost control on the wet road. At the time of the accident, there were 8 passengers on the bus. Fortunately, no one was injured. It seemed he had calmly handled the out-of-control car that refused to obey him. This was a ruthless and reckless chase between the big truck and the police. A confident prisoner gently motioned for the people in the car behind to be quiet as he stepped out of the car. A great escape. Not this time. The police jumped out and arrested him before he could make his spectacular escape. A tractor overturned during a police chase on the highway. Hey, you know, tractors aren't designed for high-speed racing.